You're going to have to press next because it's set to repeating song.
Okay.
So you press the middle button and then you next button. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
It's you, Grammy.
It's you.
Yeah, it's you.
This is a rocky one.
That's somehow American.
This is a rap song. Oh my God, Grammy. This is too much.
Grammy, I'm glad you're the one driving.
Oh, I would have died from 1,000 heart attacks long before now.
People who would have gotten killed. I mean, look at
It's
the
amazing is how people they do this day in day out, but I don't see.
Nobody's getting angry.
lots of
They're just
accidents.
yeah. Well, and they're not getting angry.
So many accidents. Always.
Always accidents.
So many.
How can you ride
They had to open up a whole department for these cyclists
Oh,
at the referral hospital right ahead
Oh,
there.
really?
Here's like. This is amazing. This is like.
Enter the roundabout.
It's rocking.
Third exit.
He's got a good voice.
It is.
So we've been doing the Kampala bypass over that.
Okay.
Yep.
Hotel La Grande.
Exit from the roundabout. Then swipe left.
I like the way people use horns here. They sort of use them to communicate.
Swipe left. Enter the
Versus
roundabout.
Sorry?
when people communicate very well with like the horns here, and they're very communicative. Like it's a subtle tap.
Yeah.
Tap tap. Like I'm over here.
Yeah.
And it's not in America. People use horns as instruments.
Hey.
As a weapon.
I'm pissed.
Horns, eh?
I'm gonna lean on the horn. I'm expressing.
Yeah.
It's like another form.
It's not like his, yeah.
Like profanity.
Yeah.
I mean, occasionally people use them appropriately.
Yeah. Beep,
Right.
beep. Hi.
It's like hello,
Yeah,
or
you're-
get out of the way,
Or like,
coming, overtaking.
Yeah, I'm over here on the left. Just
Yeah.
letting you
Look
know.
on the right.
Yep.
It's communication here.
Yeah.
I wonder if anyone else has noticed something that is absent from Uganda.
Road lines.
No, there have been road lines.
Really, have there?
Oh yes.
Yeah, they have been there.
Sidewalks?
No, sometimes sidewalks.
Okay.
Traffic lights.
Traffic lights.
Oh.
There are
Yes,
no
traffic lights?
traffic lights. I've not
Stop
seen
signs,
a
yeah.
one.
There are some, you'll see some. They're not many, they're not everywhere, but a few, there are some.
Sorry for rocking out back here.
We're just in the.
We're in a groove back here, people. I don't have time. This is Grammy.
Now we're going to take another roundabout and the third exit onto Bombo Road.
Enter the roundabout.
So where does it recommend? Which path does she recommend?
She
To
says
Entebbe.
she says that the third exit here and then Bombo
I
Road.
wish you could detect where there's no traffic.
Oh, I'm sorry. that's the program that costs you money.
Enter the roundabout. Then take the third exit.
So Grammy
You see the building coming up there?
Yes.
That's the biggest hospital in the country. The
Biggest what?
referral hospital.
This hospital.
Biggest hospital in the country, referral hospital, yeah.
Wow.
It's called Lago Hospital. So all there, and then that section back there is
Wow.
part of it. It's being renovated now, but still it operates on a small scale. So it's going to keep repeating itself. You might have to just pause it to stop
Okay.
because it's set in repeat song.
I'm just coming to an end in about 20 seconds.
All right. Okay, if you would wanted to use a washroom,
Bravo!
I'm just going to stop by this petrol station and use the washroom. However, if you would like to, I can actually find up a decent spot for you somewhere.
Good.
Good.
If anyone else needs to, whatever. Marilyn, how are you doing? I don't know. I hate to pass up the opportunity,
It's going to use the washrooms quickly here, and we will proceed.
another hour or so.
Yep, about 1 hour. Traffic doesn't seem too bad.
I just tried.
Okay, here's
I'll
Crumb's
do it quickly.
phone.
Thank you so much. I'll leave it here.
You're good. I can
Very
step,
quick.
I can step right over here.
I'm gonna
Okay. Where you going?
You going, Mr. Tom?
Yeah.
tight quarters in this.
I can get off this
It's
side.
alright.
No problem. I can get this side.
I know.
I could try just because even though I don't have to look at that. Sure, Marilyn can do that. I don't know if I can. I'm not as nimble.
Hey, Tom? Tom! I thought he was leaving. I was going to say you should close the door. What's up? Nothing. No, I thought he was leaving the door open.
It's all right. I'm gonna pass
Yeah.
it. Pass it up. And I'll just get out of Tom's way when he comes back because it's too hot out there.
Yeah. And I think that washroom would be worth waiting for him. Oh my God, Grammy rocker. Man of many talents. So interesting. To say, like, so this is my desire living in these beautiful places. Like many places, I think you can make money living in Kampala as opposed to elsewhere. You're going to be working in the fields in the hot sun. Resistance lifestyle. Oh, you got some footage of the traffic, huh?
Oh, yes. It's